Hi dear viewer, in this video we will learn how to customize the currency symbol in Microsoft Excel. It is very simple and easy. I want to add the currency symbols for all these prices. So, select all these prices, then right-click on the selected range and click on and quote. Format Cells and Quote. Click here on Currency tab. I cannot see my country's currency symbol in here. Want. So we want to add our desired currency symbol. Go to Windows Desktop. Press Windows button. Or right-click on the Windows Start menu and then click on Run tab. You can also type Control Panel on search bar and press Enter key. Or click on Control Panel, App. Select the category. Large icons. Region and quote. Additional. Currency tab. Now we can type here your desired currency symbol. I'm typing here my currency symbol BDT, stand for Bangladesh Taka. Here you can add an extra space between BDT and value better looking. And hit on and quote. Appy and quote. And click on OK tab. Now, let's go back to Microsoft Excel workbooks. Now we can be able to add your customized currency symbol. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. If it is helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next video. Thanks for watching and stay technical sound.